In this video, let's get to know how to conduct a complete Slack inventory assessment using AVAMIGRATRON. You can accurately assess your Slack inventory for a clear data overview, ensuring precise planning and smooth migration to teams while minimizing risks. You can start by taking a high-level inventory first, and then proceed with a detailed assessment for specific inventory details. To begin, click the Inventory tab on AVAMIGRATRON dashboard and choose High-Level Inventory to proceed. Then, click on the Get Slack Channel List button to retrieve high-level details of the channels within your Slack workspace, including channel names, types, and visibility. You can also export this data in Excel format for further analysis. Utilize Advanced Filter option to refine your inventory assessment. Specify date, times, and visibility preferences, or generate reports for specific periods by setting dates. Next, click on the Get Slack Chat List button to gather high-level details of direct messages and multi-party messages within your Slack workspace. To initiate a detailed inventory assessment, click on Start Inventory. Here, you can customize preferences such as channels, multi-party, or direct chats, and select a date and time of your choice. And for a custom inventory of specific channels, DMs, and MMs, you can download the provided template. Fill in other necessary details such as chat ID and name, utilizing the export details from the high-level inventory. You can also rename the inventory and customize the start and end date for assessing your workspace for a specific timeline. Once the assessment is completed, you can view an overall summary along with the status. Click on the count displayed to view the granular details of user groups, channels, channel members, MMs, DMs, and third-party apps. With AVAMIGRATRON, fetching a comprehensive assessment of your Slack inventory is simpler than ever. Ready to make the switch? Reach out to us at sales@avamigratron.com for questions or demos. We would love to connect with you for a smooth migration journey.